Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an interesting macrame plant hanger to share with you. This is a simple yet beautiful double plant hanger that can hold a variety of pots. To make this project, you need to prepare 44 meters of 4mm cotton rope and a 6 cm ring. The length of this hanger is 1.1 meter. Please kindly note, the length I listed is measured without any pots. Let's get started. First step, you use for cords, 3.2 meters long. Fold them in half and then you take one orange cord, 1.8 meter long. You fold the orange cord like this and put it on the ivory cords. Then you use the longer end to wrap around the folded area. You will wrap until you reach a length about of 15 centimeters. Next, you pass the end of the working cord through the loop and pull the other end as strong as possible to bring the loop and the working cord inside. Then you cut off the two ends of the excess orange cord and you'll have a piece that look like this. Next step, you make the straps. First, you twist the cords together, 2 cords twist with 2 cords. You will twist until you reach a length of about 18 centimeters. After that, you take a orange cord, 0.5 meter long to tie the wrap knot. The way is similar to how you tied the knot in the first part. And then you repeat the process with the other side. Next, you divide the cords of the straps into 2 parts, then you tie them to something that will make it easier for you to do the next steps. Next step, you take 6 cords, 1.1 meter long, fold them in half and attach them to the 2 sides of the strap, 3 cords for each side. You attach them by tying lark's head knot. The distance between the lark's head knots is about 4 centimeters. After attaching the cords, you will tie the square knots with those cords. The distance between the rows of the square knot is about 3 to 4 centimeters. Then you repeat the process with the other side. Next, you connect the edges together. Continue to tie the square knots to connect them. Then you tie 2 more rows of the square knots. Next step, you use a ring about of 6 centimeters and put the macrame inside the ring. Next, you tie the lark's head knot with all the cords to attach them to the ring. This is the first cradle of the plant hanger, and then you do the same to create the second cradle. Next, you choose the 8 longest cords of them to twist like the way you did with the cords of the first straps. Then you use the remaining cords to create the second cradle. Do the same with the first cradle. Next step, you use 1 orange cord, 0.8 meter long, and tie the wrap knot to fix the bottom part. Last step, you will fix the excess cords of the first cradle before you cut off them. To fix them firmly, you tie the double half hitch knots to create a loop at the bottom of the first cradle. After finishing, you cut off the excess cords. This is our result. The length of the plant hanger is 1.1 meter. You can put a variety of pots with a diameter of 10 to 15 centimeters inside it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please a quick like, comment, or subscribe really does help my channel out. Thanks so much and see you next week.